Welcome back. Goa government has cancelled ongoing tender process for lifeguard service. On the behalf of state government, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni stated before the High Court that the government has decided to re-tender and allot contract for lifeguard services afresh for the next tourist season.
One of the companies participating in the tender process knocked the door of the High Court, alleging that government is favouring Drishti Group. Drishti Group is presently providing lifeguard services across 40 kilometers of coastline in Goa. There are almost 450 lifeguards deployed. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni said that government is not favouring any particular company. Nadkarni further said that government had power to renew the license of Drishti. It was not renewed because government is committed to a transparent tender process, which is why government has decided to refloat the tender. After hearing the arguments of all the parties, court disposed of the petition. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Economic census will begin from 17 July in Goa. First time in Goa, government is emphasizing on traditional occupation and economic census. Transgenders will be covered under proprietary ownership. Directorate of Planning, Statistics and Evaluation says casinos will be counted under the economic census as they are legal. All units engaged in production or distribution of goods or services will be counted in economic census. Illegal activities like gambling and betting will be excluded from the census.
Handicraft establishment for the first time. For handicraft establishment, we would be counting how many establishments are owned by proprietary owners, religion-wise. For the first time, we are asking about the gender of transgender also. Transgenders have been covered for the first time under proprietary ownership. We are also covering how many establishments are owned by self-help group. How many have been financed by self-help group also. These are just important things which we have introduced for the first time.
Government has been very much emphasizing on the traditional occupations in Goa, which now people are doing away and going to the urban areas. The second concept, business register, will tell us for every kind of entrepreneurial activity, whether it is traditional or not. If the present activities which is being enumerated, if found it is not traditional, the entrepreneur will be asked what is your traditional activity. Any economic activity is being carried out in the boundary of Goa, in any sector, registered, not registered, organized, not organized, will all have the complete detail with their religion, their native place from where they belong, description of the activity. More importantly, we'll have their all kind of information which one establishment can give, like their cell number, contact number, fax number, TIN number and PAN number.
Sargaonkar Football Club have kicked off their pre-season training at the artificial turf ground at Dulair, Mapsa. New coach Derek Pereira praised the players for putting in all efforts at the training sessions. The former Pune FC coach also advised the players to focus on taking good diet and rest and to maintain their energy levels.
To make those actions for 90 minutes, how you develop? By practicing. For more energy in your system, what do you need to do? Done, Gilbert. Huh? Before rest, what do you need to do? Food. Diet. That is your fuel. If you don't eat now, you will not develop this thing. Your energy levels will go down. We just started our practice session yesterday. Today was our first conditioning session where we concentrated on fitness as well as tactics. And the boys really worked hard. Except for a couple of players who have not reported. Other than that, everybody is in good condition. I'm happy that the boys are working hard, responding well, and I'm sure in a week or two we'll gain our fitness and we'll be team ready for the season.
We started our season like with new players. First of all, for a new coach. He is a good coach, and there are many players, promising players, youngsters also. We started on Monday. The practice is going good, hard work, and this hard work will carry, will make us perform in games, and we'll work hard.
If you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.